Want to hide or show the time and date on your taskbar in Windows? Then let me show you exactly how to hide it first and then how to bring it back. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. First, let's remove the time and date from your system tray. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to the Notification Area section, then select Turn System Icons on or off. Now locate clock in the list. On the right side, you'll see a toggle switch. If it's turned on, that's why your clock is visible. Click the toggle to turn it off. Now check the bottom right corner again. The time and date are gone, clean. Now let's bring it back. Go back to the same clock setting under Taskbar Settings. Turn the clock toggle back on. Now check the bottom right corner. Your time and date are visible again. And that's it. You now know how to hide or show the date and time on your taskbar. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and for more straight to the point Windows tips, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.